Hi, it's Gloria here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
News headline from the Middle East: Mangalorean Arun D'Costa succumbs to injuries in Abu Dhabi. News headline from Mumbai: St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Brahmavirans celebrate annual feast. News headlines from Mangalore: Golden Jubilee joy for Ullal Mohan Kumar's Natya Niketana Dance School. Lakshmi Memorial Nursing College holds National Conference Admicon 2008. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from Music Masti 2007, a song from Wilson Olivera Silver Jubilee Night held at Brahmavar, and a song from Lona Show held in Mangalore.
Apurva for Aptlab.
News in detail. Arun D'Costa, who was critically injured in a road accident in Abu Dhabi on Tuesday, January 15, passed away on Thursday, January 31st morning. His wife Wilma and infant daughter, who were also critically injured, are still in the hospital. 36-year-old Arun D'Costa was working as a mechanical engineer settled in Australia with his 31-year-old wife Wilma, a nurse, and their daughter Andrea. The accident occurred near Shahama in Abu Dhabi on January 15th, on the eve of their trip to Mangalore after having spent 2 weeks visiting family in the UAE. They had been in Australia for 3 years and recently obtained citizenship. Syrian Catholics hailing from Brahmavar who are settled in Mumbai have found an association, namely St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Association. Recently, the association celebrated its annual feast at Holy Family Church Auditorium in Chakala. The annual feast of St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Association Andheri Chakala and St. Mary's Orthodox Brahmavarians Chapel was celebrated on a grand scale on Thursday, January 31st. Father Lawrence D'Souza led the prayer services, which began in the morning. The Feastal Holy Mass was offered by Father Ramban G. M. Skaria, parish priest of St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Church Brahmavar. Father Jacob Cozy concelebrated the Eucharist. Later in a stage program, Reverend Father G. M. Skaria honored the sponsors Francis D'Souza and Cyril D'Souza. Father Lawrence D'Souza welcomed the gathering. St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Catholic Association Treasurer John D. Almeida, Secretary Lawrence Suarez, Gladys F. D'Souza, Julia S. D'Souza, and the office bearers of Orthodox Syrian Catholic Association Andheri East were present. Now on to some local news. Ullal Mohan Kumar is a renowned Bharatanatyam guru who is teaching this popular South Indian dance form for the last 5 decades in Mangalore. Natya Niketana, the dance school started by Karnataka Kala Tilaka Ullal Mohan Kumar way back in 1956 at Kolya near Kotekar, is celebrating Golden Jubilee year. To mark the celebration, Mohan Kumar's disciples have organized a 4-day Swarna Nrityotsava program at Town Hall. We have a report on this. Swarna Nrityotsava is not just a Golden Jubilee celebration program of Natya Niketana, one of the oldest schools of Mangalore, but it is a great ensemble of disciples of renowned Bharatanatyam artist Ullal Mohan Kumar to express their love and affection towards their great teacher. Ullal Mohan Kumar is a retired school teacher and teaching Bharatanatyam is his passion. His dance school started in 1956 at Kolya near Kotekar is celebrating Golden Jubilee year. To mark the occasion, his disciples have organized Suvarna Nrityotsava, 4-day program at Town Hall from Wednesday, January 30th. Karnataka Sangeeta Nritya Academy member Professor Rammurthy Rao was the chief guest of the second day's function.
ನಾಟ್ಯಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದ ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಉಳ್ಳಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಬರೀ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಳೆದ 30 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಓರ್ವ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರಾಗಿ ಅವರು ನಾಡಿನ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದದ್ದು. ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಈ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಉತ್ಸವವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವರು ಈ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮೊದಲಾದ ಕಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Renowned vocalist Srinath Marathe, dance teacher Natyacharya Premnath, Mridangam maestro Kumble Baburai, retired art teacher Chandrasekhar were honoured on the occasion. Indian Oil Corporation General Manager Ullas Kamath presided over the function. Later, Ullal Mohan Kumar students presented Bharatanatyam dance program. Lakshmi Memorial Nursing College organized a national level conference on nursing, ADMICON 2008 on Friday, February 1st at Hotel Moti Mahal. The theme of the conference was Informed Nursing Service Administration Saves Life. We have a report on this. Lakshmi Memorial Nursing College of Mangalore organized a national level conference on Nursing Service Administration, ADMICON 2008 on Friday, February 1st at Hotel Moti Mahal Auditorium. Dr. A.V. Raman of Chennai was the chief guest. Fadamulla Medical College and Hospital Medical Superintendent Dr. L.L. Joshua was the guest of honor.
Of course, in our own interest as well as in the interests of the poor patients, we are having outreach programs, we are having health camps conducted outside. So patients it is very good to think that patients have got a choice now. They can choose the doctor, they can choose the institution, they can get the best comparatively at a cheaper cost when compared to those days. That's one thing.
A.J. Shetty presided over the function. Well, that is all we have from our news desk today. Now it is time for us to take a break. But after the break, we will bring to you lots of entertainment programs. So stay tuned to us.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್.